And welcome back with the DFW Scratcher. And this is our Monday video. It's a $50 special. We have two 200 million cash explosions and one 300X. And we were heavy on cash explosion tickets last week because we ended up coming up with about what $300. So why not get it and keep pushing my luck, see if we can keep coming up like that. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. But before we do that, just remember to please like, share, subscribe, and comment to the DFW Scratcher, where we will post videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays before midnight. And if not midnight, the following day. Now, as I said earlier, the 200 million cash explosion. And the rules of the game are match any of your numbers with the winning numbers, win their prize, money back symbols, win instantly 20 times to win 20 times that symbol. And this is ticket number 25. We have 25 and ticket number 26. And overall odds, instant or 1 in 3.91, including break even. Top prize are the 1 in 3,510,000, 2% chance of margin. Same pack number. So let's go ahead and see if we could beat 200 this time, or we can get that elusive 20 times symbol. I wouldn't be mad with the money bag symbol either. I really want the 20 times symbol though. Let me focus the camera right for y'all. Let's go. Yeah, I've never had a number multiplier come up while I've been playing scratch off tickets on the channel. So it'd be nice to get that 20 times symbol. And the winning numbers are 37, 2, 34, 25, 1, 28, and 26. And let me start off by saying I'm feeling very lucky about this one in particular. All right, let's go. And there we go. Numbers are 39, 33, 13, 6, and 10, which is a bust. Moving on to the second row. Come on, 20 times symbol. Let's go. And the numbers are 21, 14, 32, 12, and 19, which is a bust. Moving on to the next row. Come on, let's go. And the numbers are 29, 5, 23, 30, and 8, which looks like it's going to be a bust. Moving on to the next row. Like my gut feeling was out on this ticket. It may have been going off because of the next ticket. We'll see in a second. And the winning number, the numbers are 38, 15, 24, 16, and 9. And the last row. Oh, man. That was off this time. And numbers are 27, 11, 35, 17, and 7. And that ticket was a bust. So moving on to the next cash explosion, ticket number 26, as I said earlier. Let's go ahead and same rules apply. Match your winning numbers to your numbers. Money back instant, 20 times simple, 20 times that amount. Go ahead and scratch off the winning numbers, see what we can get. Hopefully, something this time. And the winning numbers are 39, 31, 18, 8, 38, 36, and 21. That's 39, 31, 18, 8, 38, 36, and 21. Let's go ahead and scratch off the first row. Oh, man, come on. Give me something. And the numbers are 35, 32, 30, 7, and 13, which is a bust. Moving on to the second row. Let's go. No 20s on there at all. And our numbers are 15, 14, 22, 27, and 24. One off from that 21. Let's keep on moving to the next row. I thought we got some. I seen 34. Nah, but it's not on there. Like this roll might be a bust. Let's see. And numbers are 34, 11, 4, 19 and 26, which like is gonna be a bust. Moving on to the next round. Come on, give me at least one win. Let me walk away with that. And the numbers are 25, 5, 33, 23, and we have 28, which is a bust. And the last roll, like I'm walking out with nothing on this ticket. Oh man, that is not good. And the numbers are 37, 9, 16, 3, and 10, which is a bust. Oh man, my cash explosions let me down this time. So moving on to the next, it's $30 300X symbol with it's a second chance $5 million challenge, second chance promotion. Top prize of $3 million. Rules to the game will match any of your numbers with the winning numbers. Win that number 10 times, 10 times that prize. 20 times to win 20 times, 300 times to win 300 times that prize with 30 chances to win. Ticket number 4 out the pack. And the overall, and all prizes are $50 or higher. So we hit one number on here, we automatically are in the profit session. That's good. And instant win overall are 1 in 3.86. Instant win top prize is 1 in 2 million, 2% chance of margin. There's the pack number. Without further ado, let's go. Now I was just talking about getting a number symbol. This one has 3, but it'd be real nice to get that 300 times symbol. I'm guessing if I get that 300 times symbol, it's gonna be like a $1 underneath. I bet. We'll see. Not that lucky. Anyways, the winning numbers are 34, 37, 32, 13, 57, 54, 7, and 36. A lot of numbers to remember. A lot of numbers. That's 34, 37, 32, 13, 57, 54, 7, and 36. So let's go ahead and scratch off the first row. Come on, give me something. Gotta walk away with a win. I've been doing good lately. Don't ruin that streak. And the numbers are 24, 11, 49, 47, and 42. Because I don't have any 40s up there, mostly 30s and 50s. So that was a bust. Go ahead and move on to the second row. And the numbers are 55, 56, 14, 15, and 6, which looks like a bust again. Moving on to the next row. And the numbers are 58, 1, 21, 43, and 40, which looks like it's going to be a bust. Moving on to the next row. And the numbers are 50, 12, 9, 25, and 60, which is a bust. Moving on to the next row. Like it's turned out to be a bad session. A bad session. Oh, God. And the winning numbers are 46, 39, 22, 19, and 35, which is a bust again in the last row. Come on, give me something. One number, that's all I need. And that is all the numbers. And the numbers are 4, 53, 8, 28, and 33, which is a $50 special. And by the looks of it, oh man, losing session, 0 for 50. This is a hard day today. Oh well, can't win them all, I guess. Just remember to tune in Wednesday for our next video, which we're dropping before midnight. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the DFW Scratcher, where we can post winning videos in the future. And have a nice night.